Right now, global capital isn't just moving quietly, it's moving strategically. One small spark, one unexpected headline, and trillions of dollars can shift across continents in hours. Behind every chart and ticker symbol, real power plays are happening. Welcome to Global Pulse 360 Live, where you see the storm before it hits. This week, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve. A 0.25 rate hike, a number that looks simple on paper, has already begun echoing through the world's financial arteries. In New York, traders are repositioning portfolios. In Frankfurt, central banks are recalculating risk models. In Tokyo, hedge funds are moving billions overnight. Every quarter point isn't just a decision, it's a signal, and the world listens. This is not about theory, it's about money in motion. When the Fed raises rates, it tightens the global liquidity valve. Every dollar becomes harder to access, and liquidity begins to dry up in unexpected places. The US dollar strengthens. Emerging markets feel the pressure first. Commodities like oil react like a match to gasoline. In just 48 hours, oil prices surged 12%. Bond yields spiked. Risk assets started to wobble. And this isn't new. We saw the same pattern in 2008 during the financial crisis. In 2015 when capital rushed back to the US. In 2020 during pandemic recovery. One Fed decision and the global financial architecture shifts. Why does this matter to you, even if you don't trade stocks? Because what starts in Washington never stays in Washington. It affects everything: energy bills, mortgage rates, food prices, your job security, your retirement account. A small business in Asia might face higher loan costs. A European family might pay more for heating this winter. A student in Latin America might see tuition and living costs rise overnight. Markets aren't abstract, they're personal. They shape lives in real time. When uncertainty grows, capital behaves like water. It flows to safety: the US dollar, treasury bonds, and gold. Meanwhile, emerging economies face a silent storm: currency depreciation, outflows, and inflation pressure. Investors move quietly at first. Then, suddenly, everyone moves at once. What begins as a quarter-point rate hike can end as a tidal wave. If you want to understand the world before the headlines hit, subscribe to Global Pulse 360 Live. Because the market doesn't wait, and neither should you. In upcoming episodes, we'll break down capital flows, energy shocks, currency battles, and policy turning points before they dominate the news cycle. This isn't just a channel, it's your early warning system.